You want to know how to use the pencil tool or the draw tool in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily use it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application and import any audio that you like. Now, our draw tool should be right around here. It should be right below the selection tool. So its shortcut is F3. So you can also select F3 as well. So what F3 or the draw tool does is you can just simply select individual samples and edit them accordingly. So let's say I have this waveform. This is all the way down right here. So if I want to balance it out, I can just simply zoom it in. So just simply select Ctrl plus scroll or Ctrl plus 3 to zoom in, and here you can see this small waveform that's coming all the way up. So I can just simply select it by doing this and select its waveform and edit it just like this. So I can do it with multiple ones as well, and that's it. This is how you easily use the draw tool in Audacity to balance out samples and audio waveforms. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.